Forget cars, these machines are in a league of their own. From military powerhouses to super fast bikes and futuristic wonders, these vehicles redefine brutality. They're engineered for performance and toughness like you've never seen before. Get ready to experience the most brutal vehicles that aren't cars. Welcome back to Performance Playground, your favorite car channel. Let's jump right in. The Can-Am Maverick Canyon is a high-performance side-by-side designed for extreme off-road adventures. Powered by a robust Rotax engine, it offers exceptional horsepower and torque, allowing it to handle challenging terrains with ease. Its advanced suspension system provides a smooth ride, while features like Smart Lock differential ensure maximum traction. The Maverick Canyon's rugged design includes aggressive tires, a durable frame, and a comfortable cockpit equipped with modern controls and safety features. Built for thrill seekers, it delivers an exhilarating mix of speed, agility, and rugged reliability. The Tinger Track 2 is a highly versatile tracked all-terrain vehicle designed for extreme environments. It features a robust 812 cubic centimeters, 57 horsepower engine paired with a CVT transmission, offering smooth performance on rugged terrains, snow, mud, or water. Fully amphibious, it can carry up to 5 passengers on land or 4 in water and has a towing capacity of 800 kilograms. Its ground clearance of 330 mm, reinforced tracks, and lightweight yet durable HDPE body make it capable of navigating steep slopes and rough surfaces. This vehicle is ideal for professional uses like agriculture, search and rescue, and law enforcement, as well as for adventure enthusiasts seeking reliable performance in harsh conditions. The Yamaha 2025 YZF-R9 is a striking new addition to Yamaha's R series, filling the gap between street-friendly practicality and track-ready performance. Based on the MT-09 platform, it features a powerful 890 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder engine with a tailored ECU tune and optimized gear ratios for balanced performance on both road and track. The bike is equipped with advanced electronics like a 6-axis IMU, lean-sensitive traction and braking controls, and customizable riding modes. Its lightweight Delta-Box frame, the lightest aluminum frame Yamaha has ever offered for a super sport model, combined with fully adjustable KYB suspension, ensures precise handling. Additionally, Brembo Stylema brakes provide exceptional stopping power. The design integrates MotoGP-inspired aerodynamics, including winglets, and offers a sleek TFT display with smartphone connectivity, making it modern and functional for diverse riders. The Segway A10 is an all-terrain vehicle, ATV, designed for serious off-road enthusiasts. Equipped with a 999 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, it delivers 97 horsepower, enabling it to reach impressive speeds and acceleration. This powerful engine allows the A10 to easily tackle challenging terrains, with a top speed of 125 km per hour and an acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 8 seconds. The ATV's performance is complemented by its large 30-inch tires, which provide better ground clearance and stability for conquering uneven landscapes. Its design is aimed at those looking for an adventure-ready vehicle, built to handle both extreme off-road conditions and heavy-duty tasks. The Lighthorse is an innovative electric stand-up vehicle designed to combine mobility, power, and versatility. Powered by 4 independent hub motors, it offers impressive specs, including a top speed of 40 miles per hour, up to 80 miles of range, and the ability to carry a 200-pound rider plus an additional 600 pounds of cargo. Its all-wheel drive system, 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive modes, and the ability to tackle difficult terrains make it ideal for various applications, from recreation to military use. The Lighthorse also has potential uses for law enforcement, offering a unique elevated perspective and ease of access, while being silent and emission-free. It's designed to be easy to operate, with zero maintenance required, and can be adapted for numerous environments like warehouses, disaster recovery, and even military operations. The Weep Dark Sonic X is a high-performance electric scooter built for thrill seekers and serious riders. With dual BLDC hub motors, it delivers an impressive 4 kilowatts of power, reaching speeds of up to 130 km per hour, 80 miles per hour, and offering a range of around 100 km, 62 miles, on a single charge. The scooter is equipped with a robust 84V Samsung battery and hydraulic 4P brakes on both wheels for excellent stopping power. Designed for comfort and stability, It features a front single oil shock absorber and dual rear shocks, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrain. The Weeped Dark Sonic X's lightweight aluminum frame and foldable design make it convenient for storage and transport, while its 13-inch off-road tires enhance grip for more adventurous rides. The Hyundai Elevate is an innovative concept vehicle designed to tackle terrains that traditional vehicles can't. This walking car uses robotic legs, allowing it to climb over obstacles like rubble or steep inclines, making it ideal for emergency situations or areas with challenging landscapes. Built on a modular electric platform, the Elevate's legs can extend, providing the mobility to walk across obstacles while still retaining its ability to drive on roads. With applications in rescue missions and off-road challenges, this concept vehicle blends robotics with traditional car functionality. The ACE VTOL Slipstream Elite is a cutting-edge, remote-piloted electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for business transportation. It boasts a compact design, making it suitable for private helipads, yachts, or other confined spaces. The aircraft features innovative aerodynamics with a slipstream trailing airflow design, optimizing its performance at both high and low speeds. It can seamlessly switch between high-speed flight for long-distance travel and low-speed flight for maneuverability in tight spaces. Equipped with advanced autopilot and remote piloting technology, the Slipstream Elite ensures safe and efficient transportation without the need for manual control. It offers an impressive range of 200 to 400 kilometers and can reach speeds up to 0.3 Mach, making it a versatile option for those seeking quick, executive travel. The Aptera Solar EV is a highly innovative vehicle designed for efficiency and sustainability, featuring an ultra-lightweight, aerodynamic build. This three-wheeled car integrates solar panels into its body, allowing it to harness sunlight for driving range. Under ideal conditions, the Aptera can generate up to 40 miles of range per day from its solar panels alone. Its exceptional drag coefficient of just 0.13, among the lowest of any vehicle, helps maximize efficiency. Powered by an electric drivetrain, the Aptera delivers impressive performance, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4 seconds and a top speed of 101 miles per hour. The vehicle's range, including its solar power contribution, can extend up to 1,000 miles on a full charge with the larger battery. With a starting price around $30,000 for the launch edition, Aptera is positioning itself as a unique, eco-friendly alternative in the electric vehicle market. The Ripsaw EV3 F4 is an ultra-high-performance luxury tank designed for extreme off-road adventures. Built by How & How Technologies, it boasts a rugged yet sleek design with a powerful diesel engine capable of delivering over 1,500 horsepower. This beast is known for its lightweight tubular chassis, making it surprisingly agile for its size. Its advanced suspension system allows it to glide over rough terrain at speeds exceeding 60 miles per hour. Inside, the EV3 F4 is outfitted with a luxurious cabin, complete with leather seating and high-tech displays, offering both military-grade durability and modern comfort. It's the ultimate off-road machine. That was it. Those are the most brutal vehicles that aren't cars. What do you think? What was the most brutal one? Tell us in the comments. Also like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time. Performance Playground. Out.